The Kidde i12010SCO is a hardwired combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm that contains a 10-year, sealed battery backup. This alarm uses breakthrough technology to offer a fast response to real fires, including smoldering and fast flaming, as well as protect you from carbon monoxide and dramatically reduce the chance of nuisance alarms. The intelligent sensor technology combines the detection capabilities of an ionization smoke sensor, which is more likely to detect smaller, less visible fire particles, like those produced by flaming fires, with that of an electrochemical sensor, which is used to detect CO. Since carbon monoxide is present in all fires, having both detection chambers work together in one alarm is a breakthrough in the fire safety industry. When either sensor notices a potential hazard, it will communicate with the other. Depending on what is detected, the alarm will adjust its smoke sensitivity in order to better discriminate between a real hazard and a false one. This constant communication enhances the alarm's overall performance in all fires, and significantly reduces the potential for a nuisance alarm. Peak level memory announces, carbon monoxide previously detected, if the alarm has detected a CO level of 100 ppm or higher since it was the last reset. Humidity range 10% to 85% non-condensing relative humidity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. No nuisance alarm. This smoke and CO alarm features a hush button, which will temporarily desensitize the unit and allow you to silence the alarm in non-emergency situations. If the smoke is not too dense, the alarm will immediately be silenced with the verbal announcement, "Hush mode activated." Number 2. This CO and smoke alarm is powered by a 120 volts AC wire and connector and draws power from your house to ensure it is always functional. Number 3. Superior, dependable protection. At Kidde, we know that in your life, nothing is more important than ensuring the safety of your family and home, and you should always be prepared. With this combination of carbon monoxide and smoke detectors, you will have the protection you need to keep your family safe. Our fire and carbon monoxide detectors seamlessly integrate ionization and electrochemical sensors in a hardwired unit with lithium battery backup, so that you can have unbeatable confidence. Number 4. Provides protection from 2 hazards, fire and CO in one unit with 10-year sealed lithium battery backup. Number 5. Sealed in lithium battery backup. No battery replacement required over the 10-year life of the alarm. Eliminates worry about removal or unauthorized deactivation of alarm. Number 6. Voice warning system. Verbally announces, fire, or, warning, carbon monoxide, to help distinguish between threats. Audio alarm. 85 decibels at 10 feet. Number 7. Ionization sensing technology. Ideal for detecting fast flaming and other types of fires. Temperature range. 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4.4 degrees Celsius, to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 37.8 degrees Celsius. Number 8. Hush feature. Temporarily silences nuisance alarms for approximately 9 minutes and will not allow hush mode unless the unit is in alarm mode. Interconnects. Up to 24 Kidde devices, of which 18 can be initiating. Flashes once every 60 seconds to indicate battery-only mode. Number 9. Compatible with Kidde, Firex, Code 1, and Sentinel products. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.